এখন আমি এইচএস ইংলিশ সাজেশনস দিচ্ছি। প্রথমেই দ্য পোয়েট্রি অফ আর্থ থেকে 1 নম্বর কোশ্চেন, হাউ ডাজ কিডস জাস্টিফাই দ্যাট দ্য পোয়েট্রি অফ আর্থ ইজ নেভার ডেড? এটা 6 মার্কের। Number 2, bring out the significance of the title of the poetry of earth. Number 3, when all the birds are faint, why are all the birds faint? What do the birds do then? Who takes the role of the birds? How does he play the role? 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3. Number 4, he takes the lead in summer luxury. Who takes the lead? When does he take the lead? What is summer luxury? 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1. Number 5, he has never done with his delights. Who is he referred to here? Why does he delight? Why does he delight? Why has he never done with? Why has he never done with his delights? What does he finally do? 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus. এবার আচ্ছা এবার অন কিলিং এ ট্রি থেকে bring out the significance of the title of on killing a tree. Number 2, and then it is done. What does it refer to here? Explain briefly how everything is done. Number 3, describe the growth of the tree. Number 4, how does the tree heal itself? Number 5, and this alone wouldn't do it. What does this refer to? এখানে টু হবে। What does it suggest? What does the poet think that this alone wouldn't do it? এবার 3 questions থেকে all the answers being different, the jar agreed with none of them. What were the answers? Whom did the jar decide to consult when he was not satisfied? Where did the person live whom the jar decided to consult. What was he famous for? Number 2. I resolved to kill you. Who is I? In this above line, identify the person spoken to. Why did why did he why did the speaker decide to kill the listener? How was the speaker wounded? Number 5. You have already been answered. How did he give answer? বা or how did he get answer? এটা 4 মার্কের থাকতে পারে। তার সঙ্গে তার সঙ্গে 1 মার্কের তার সঙ্গে 1 বা 2 মার্কের থাকবে। Number 4. Why did the bad man become an enemy of the jar? What did the man swear and resolve to do? Why did he ask forgiveness of the jar and what did he promise him? How did the jar treat the bad man? এবার থ্যাংক ইউ ম্যাম থেকে I were young once and I wanted things I could not get. Who said this to whom and when? What did the speaker feed the person spoken to? Or what did the speaker say about her past life? Number 2. And he did not want to be mistrusted. Who is he? Why didn't he want to be mistrusted? Number 3. I would teach you right from wrong. Who is the speaker? When did the speaker say this? How did the speaker transform the person? Number 4. Now, ain't you ashamed of you? Who says this to when? Who says this to who says this to whom? Why does the speaker say this? What reply does the person spoken to give? How does the speaker treat the person? Number 5. Number 5. Shoes come by devilish like that will burn your feet. Who said this to whom? What does the speaker want to mean by this? What aspect of the speaker's character is revealed in this statement? এবার দ্য প্রপোজাল নাটক থেকে She is like a lovesick cat. Who says this and to whom? About whom is this? About whom is it said and when? Why does the speaker say so? Number two, the character of Lomov. এটা কিন্তু very important. Number three, I didn't hear it all. Who is the speaker? What does it refer to? What is the reaction of the speaker after hearing it? এবার রাইটিং স্কিল, রিপোর্ট রাইটিং। Number 1, blood donation camp. Number 2, dengue awareness camp. Number 3, science exhibition. Number 4, safe drive, save life. Number 5, World Environment Day. Number 6, tree plantation program. Number 6. Number 7, free health checkup camp. Number 8, garbage cleaning operation. এবার লেটার রাইটিং। To the head of your institute for a transfer certificate. Number 2, loss of library card. এটা স্কুলের লাইব্রেরিয়ানকে লিখতে হবে। নাম্বার 3, ফ্রি স্টুডেন্টশিপ। এটাও হেডমাস্টারকে লিখতে হবে, হেডমাস্টার বা হেডমিস্ট্রেসকে। Number 4, to the headmaster requesting to provide some facilities to students keen on playing indoor games. Number 6, abnormally high electric bill. Number 6, to the headmaster requesting to increase books in the library. এগুলো ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট। এর সঙ্গে আমি কয়েকটি অ্যান্সার দিয়ে দিচ্ছি, তোমরা দেখে নিও। How did Chubakov react to Lomov's proposal? এটা 6 মার্কের। এটা না। Draw a character sketch of Lomov. Ivan Vasilievich Lomov, যে কমা আছে, এ A hypochondriac and stubborn person is a very interesting character in the play. He is large and hearty, but very suspicious. Suspicious, sus- landowner. Suspicious landowner. He suffers from a number of visitations, visitations which hold up his character in a comic light. Although he immerses himself to be sidetracked into an argument overhand, both the other characters argue about pointless things instead of talking about more serious issue. Noah comes to ask for Natalia's hand in marriage, but later, when he is alone, he admits that he is not in love with Natalia, but wants to marry her for economic and social stability. It is very important.